ya mete hai na medwene na me bisa mo se to brebia ye ko na ye ba ye da na ye sore ye nante ye drive ye meko school ye nsohwe ye di ya na woda na ye weddings na ye tonkwada din na enima ne bebre ho no mo esisi wo abrabo ma ya na wo wire ye efise eye ensa ene onyame tumi a ode bo ne soro na sase ena ebuebue kwan kase bi ena de amawo etobire bi na wo wire ye fi ne wadwene ye akoye wo se asa ye wo bi ne watumi ayo eye mia na maboaboa sika no ena me de ahwe me school eye mia na matoma saase bi ena matumi asi abrosan mesi dentia eye mia na maye kiosk bi ena me dem kakra ebusua ye nuaba Meriganza to dwumi na medwene ho enye awurade ene wo yen yafa enye awurade ne wo yen nafa abrankrofo bi tena ase bopo adwene ye esusu ye eheda ebo ho date se oma wo ne wo ma munya baabi nyina abusia na woni ho ne woni ho ekon akese a otwire dia mponyame akode amayen etedwuma yi to saa no na medwene edewa na mashase se me bompai eno na osofo se bonso praise be so for every tema e believe in first one ye bompo can say me radi adom the favor of the Lord say Eradi enimonyam eni Eradi ense me bie kwan antoto ama me no mienu a hwe abusia efrida ye free ya maame no ye mbeto efom ha no wonim nsem ankrofo bi kafa wo maame eye mo ma ho a ene wo papa sini mo ma na wo hwe ba bia odomfo yi okoye koma ye ne ayen ye ni intimi huno ye nyame yama me no me no ye ni ehunu maybe we are youngest and wunnim de wo wanim ejina etobre bi na wo blame papa na Father's Day wo so won ka no a you don't know the kind of battles that your father is being battled on. Ekon bi a papa kopa adaya hodu a papa so no senka wo ka ba ku mienu a kire wo a enka wa no obema ono ankasa you sympathize your father. You sympathize him. Bema ben na wo wiase a wawo a ose me de ma wo na me mpese me hwememba. Bema ben no mpese ye beka se o me ba we na ye osofo yi a owie ne masters ansa na obedi sofo. Bema ben na mpe. Bema ben na mpe se ye beka se ne ba na abie sa company 1 company 2 company 3. Bema ben na mpe. Bema na ben na mpe se ye betimi akasa ne ba na ye doctor asumasi. Bema ben na mpe. Yesu se nyina no na ye adwene na ye so woda ye bepese da achime ma ye se me bese da achime ma ye se. Abusia the way ye pe no we don't get it that way. And near be battalion destiny, a battalion ma that our children want to be in former town for Puno in this so. And until I nearby Meriganza can say Radia or warrior fa on a diamay. One more on my gina to in Yinara Ayakwa. So we need the intentions and imaginations of people. Yeni pasrio, yeni pasre da. Yeni asore masre, yeni adwuma force. Ye chia oh papa, oh mama, oh sofo, oh director, oh chief, oh auntie Jontini, hey minister. Yani adwuma. Wutimi no obi sere pa, wo besere sesia. Wo brechi ya. Na we are pray we no omo kan ho asem. Na onim say nsem na omo kan nyina no. Omo kan negatives and they want to see your downfall. Nagada na oni person sesia. Na be committee ase. Na wapeja asem bia. Say wodi aha ede. etiawo abusia Adupai kaya radia oka ho radia waka me no me no ye ho na wotwe nyina waka ye ma ho ene ye nananam ho ammo twere nso hwei ono na domunti ena ye nwiesa ono na woso ena okron ena oye ade nyina so ewura adupai. You are with me on Adom 106.3. He's the provider. Mamo Facebook remember Akwaba. Your friend Yehovah. Your friend Yehovah. Your friend Yehovah. And the pay what cow. And the pay what tawachi. And you nearby Americans and ya dream by call a brass riding you me. The dear bow fear and no mountains in the crowd with Timono. Nekai said, me a rather coming. Or drive out there found sat Taro Cocos and me Yaw Owusu Ansah. A rather coming home. Thank you, Jesus. Who could the hall, you the hall, Preno, and Crano Coyo Monso, a chat to now watching you already know in a year. Adom for Nyankopon. And the when you saw about Doma Yendi. When you saw about Doma Yendi, a rather Doma Yendi. Over to me beyond on guess or Dom for Yame. Domme. Or Dom for Yame Domme. Or Dom for Yame Domme. Adaba Shabahaga Bahagas. Akedebe gesegere costa faradi kazasto. Ranaji any all night no air basso, a kitty cra. A radibeye bebre, away an abrabum. A radibeye bebre, kekelidako. Kekelidako so a year of baba quan when yamia you know the amount my Ghana. From Yaw Owusu Ansah. Yami Adom into my row fear hall, my row car, my bedroom hall, my kitchen hall. Because of the grace of God. At a pay baby, I will be honored. Can we worship the Lord together? The be one on any riding, because I best no busy one. Minty Miaka can be one as a rather coming home. A rather coming home. Or don't for Yame coming home. Minia baby, and they Nikuno da formana, a china or Yenikuna ye. If you are. Ya Jontonia watu Juma Chepa Elizabeth Efia Owusua Obo guitar mane fedoto Nikunu da form Ora Steven Kwaku Indao Me free maku memu yiwaye Erade ayebi Adia waye Adia no Erade aye Efia me jiri yes Ukunu free mo Erade ayebi acheche woyure Sani etie bia me no me no ukunu be weja wana se oyire be weja o etie nyina ye wonyame ne mo yandodo ye ho so oyire ben wa sone nsa na kese me de wo share Erade nsa me de wo share Erade nsa me dofo me do e bia won ka bi nkire na kurada aside mo ware ye so me do ye wonyame ne mo me dofo pa me do share Erade nsa wate me do kra me do honhom woni pedua e ma ukunu nyare ansa e ma oyire nyare ansa so ben wo ampacho fa nsato no so just 1 minute se ukunu ede ne nsa to so na oyire de ne nsa to so abompai na utimi ka se emfa nsa nkame a o ben hell. That is the truth. You are close to hell. O ben hell papa. Yeah, why you be on a channel? We are in the presence of the Lord. Jumadie we any entertainment. Anyanke kemu. Yeah, the binu kan se nyamesem yanke kemu ntiatiemu debi enya no ate. We have created an environment for the presence of the Lord. Erade de wa ye doso. So kai de nyame aye. E wo ne wo yire wo ne ukunu wo ne wo ma wo ne wabusua wo ne wo sujadie mo. Even wo sujadie no no. Erade aye bi. Me baby ya menim no already 50 years. Oni kuno. 50 years. Meaning baby you free ba. 50 years. The birthday na me na bompire. I'm saying 50 years. You don't have a husband. You don't have a child. But many people are more carry na reho show ma. But 50 years. Oh rate. 50 years. If you do no or tenase me rade. Rade ya yen century ni yintem. Rade ya century ya yen intem ma wo ma wai. 50 years. Adiba goza. Ragu zikahania. 50 years. No husband, no child. Beden me tia me danka. Me yare da ho awa na be me ye. Ada be chiche me wura. Awura chiche fo wo hire. 50 years. Etinyame na se ye tua tight. We saw seed all 50 years. What would you say bia na bra me no wo nyame tia se fo na ni mu nyame be ye. 50 no de wadi ba nyame be ye. Mi nyankopon bi nso na yesu obeye. Mi nyankopon na me somo no. Many paso free futrum and I'm guasiem sumraso. No asana ni monyam. The fear day me kamfo e kanche e ku abra boso se baby edru bia na nyame beye. Me free maku memu yiwaye. Baby if you are at the age of 40, 50, Maria. Mesro. Baby, I just want to join my faith with you. Maybe GD account dear 40, 50. I want my thousands of people like that. Thousands. And pim. How many times now bompire my son Crawford? Rather be Messi, a rather be 1 minute. Pacho baby, I want to say, I may add the Atoma Kumasi 1 minute. Yamon Payama. Be my mammy job on Paya, dear Master Uncle for 40 to 50 years. And now I want to say 1 mile. Who goes so young and Juma would do Yami, but near me Kutia. Say, Mano, Obaya dia Cassia. Maye, Korabo Koshi Gigiri Mahata. Firi Kukirian to Sifa. I said, Bribia, Radiona. Radi, Obeye. 1 minute, baby, I will be on Pacho. Radio no say, a mewa, found that to radio no so. As a point of an agreement. Not but the day to her, but the day to her. I dear be a hold with destiny, I hold with joy, I hold with wadi, I hold with unquany money puntio. Ewa dear many a bushia chichirem. A dear biara, beat against you, fighting against you. Abra when I'm here for a bompire, but did you dear Cassia? Any prayer forces, my men pay for my bompire, and my minion, baby, I'm more US, one more UK, one more Germany, one more Holland, one more Ghana. They want my phobia. They stand with me and pray with me. And so, more mommy for them, lift up voices 40 to 50. I want Maria. May God work a miracle. Baby Joe Pacho Bompire.
Bompire no pay. Yedima for Asedani Yedima.
Yes, Lord.
What's the idea in name Yana was?
Yes,
that was a set and that's cry.
Yes, Lord.
And Kawa you mean that you went in that sword. Essence say, rather 1 year from Soda. Then, but I and she say, ebeto sabre mfie aduanan aduasanum ekwa aduanum na oda so te wo na wote ho ma wadurade wote ho ma wadurade wote ho ma wadurade na no na wo kase Elizabeth ni ni ku Zacharias wo mo ye nyamesrofo na so mo ware ye no na awo maye na da ku bi a wo ye wadwuma wo somo wanim no Awurade abofo be yi ne ho adi kire no ka kire ne se wo yiri Zacharias Elizabeth ebe wo ni abetu ni din na wo ho bedwiriw na wani beje na anije behye wafroma Awurade wo kan ye no wo ye na ebe mu ena no pei ni aye kan se wo bia wo hu se ne fie ko nanimu na nyanka ese ne nsaka ese se nka me wade na nka menya bato me nanso nanso be mamaye na menya bani bi no Awurade enim se wo be ye wo kan wo ye no wo be ye Awurade wo be ye Awurade wo be ye eni ye gidie kire se wo Awurade wo ye wose ade ayo ni e waka bia ebebem ena no pei ye bi wonsam no bo hye to e mayi so se Awurade wo kan wo ye na Awurade manimramu Awurade manimramu esansa wo se da ko hu ne se fiapem na fiapem no so wo hu ne se da ko ena ye ka se Awurade eye wo bi da ena eye wo bi da ye wo Awurade wo hye se ene wo de monyam bi be hye wo ba bi Awurade ye bom pa ye se ma wani monyam hye na enye adwuma ene no ho adi Awurade ye bom pa ye ka kire wo Awurade a wo tumi ade nyina ye no na no wo ka kire Sarah so be wo nanso wo Awurade o ye ye wo ka bia wo yo Awurade ye de ho to so Awurade na wo ni ye hwamoda wo ye ni mu aseda David sabe ya abofra afa manyini na me ho wotre ne nia wo Awurade wapo no na nasefo esresre ana no pay Awurade ma wasem ye adwuma e wo ya setana ne abrabo mu esanse wo ye nyame wotumi ade nyina ye asedanka wo den se wa ye wie wo Yesu din amen.
Genesis ti edunwotwe nchichemu ayedu enan ne se asebribi ye me Awurade me yona wo Awurade wo na obisaye Awurade wo na obisaye asebribi ye me Awurade me yona. Is anything too hard for the Lord to do? Awurade ye gina wa wasem so enafia day enafia day ye gina wa nyamete asefo wanum asem so a wo gina aye ka kire Abraham ene Sarai ye gina sa asem kura so wo ye Abraham nyame dia na so wo ye Sarah nyame dia na wo ye Isaac nyame dia na wo ye Jacob nyame dia na wo ye Elizabeth nyame dia na wo ye Zacharias nyame dia meni wafuna ya adwene ba ko ne ya bo dina gu wo ma di 40 to 50 years ya bompa ye de gu won so wo mo tie wo wiase afa na nyina. We cannot mention their names, but Lord, you know them. Lord, you know them. Lord, you know them. You know their challenges. You know their pain. You know their agony, their shame, and their disappointment. Lord, when I kaya dia, was ya sebia rade bribia be yenda. Asebribia be yenda. Asebribia be yenda. Rade, when I want to see a ma rade, o papa wo. Rade, enyenem nemo abraba setra de didebedin kompo ye nibi. Yehovah, today was some man so anything that is fighting their destiny and on their pay go so and nefia down pay. Yes, those are radical sama me Yehovah kasa. And then on the 14th manenya remarkable remembrance day where Yesu Christo demo the disappointing one the yawarine jano up to the 50 years yawarine jano premiums it say awa emba Yehovah ye bow dina no pay edukusa maba wale samra die yibiso sarade to the one sana yan century de
radikasa
to the one sana yan century de rather to the one sana yan century de amen. Rather to the one sana yan century de and super dawson and Kofobisa said amunya nkopona mosom no wo herefa. Where is the living God that you serve, Lord? Lord, stretch your hand, oh God. Work a miracle. Let the reproach and super go on muscle. Then Crawford says, I want so many Abraham Yami, Isaac Yami, Jacob Yami, Akwasiabu Akwinyonkopo. You are the God that we serve.
Yes.
Makio Nyankopo, Jawesle Nyankopo. You are the same God that we serve. We call on your name. We call on your name. Let the reproach and super the Tayabra Poswo Rande Mansupai and free one muscle.
Jesus' name.
Well, yes, Christo demon ya vampire Jordan Yenima so to me at the end. Yenimo Yajudi Yenima so ye. My Yasuni Aurehudi, Lord, work a miracle in the life of your children, oh God, as you visit individuals. We are in the 6th month, oh God. You visited the family of Zacharias in the 6th month, oh God. We call you, we remember you, and we remind you of your word. Jeremiah chapter 1 says, Lord, let your word come with speed and a miracle and a breakthrough in the mighty name of Jesus. Shabidi Farakasoma Nakrita Tosikifa Yohia Adokrono Erade Sane Jejejoma Erade di umechi Erade ta umechi Erade ka umaho Osabare maka umaho Okutasi o ka umaho Koye koma ye Erade ya bompai the opasa ko nume drobi wo Kora bati di bafaria Erade the opasa nume drobi wo Erade ya tia fidieshi was also wasama ne ko sanyarewa ade bi atu obi opasa wo kone ho. We pray, oh God, you are the God, the ancients of days. Oh God, work your miracle. Work your miracle. Work your miracle. Adima Farakata Kasha. Karabatoto Roshifa Hakada. Obibi says a quotation of Genesis 18 verse 14. And I read this on the 14th. And my quote is our scripture Genesis 18:14. Is anything too hard for the Lord to do? Is there anything too hard for the Lord to do? Ahini Yesu Oh Kuraye Ewana taba nasi Bibia me phone atomu kakra Erade nja wo da biarada Erade nja wo da biarado Hey waya di kesiye Hey more Facebook could I wish some comments and I don't met me I can come but it is so many Adom of Yaw Owusu Ansah mame Joe and here is Sumu Bremo and Anaji. It is going to be power prayer declarations. Also Ben Kran Kwadia Mama head out to myself from Anaji. Ebeye kiti kra because ye bedim payankasa. It is going to be all our prophetic declarations and thanksgiving. Ye may sorry our more children, ye be jinem na ye de yakekan ye ma guyem ama ye ma destiny. Mr. Omema, if you can't show that I say me what you made next month, that is July, which is about Mranti and Mabawa, the necessary training, grooming, and nurturing, mentoring. Yeah, to two on Mama Dache. University of Ghana, Legon, Grace over Grind. Grace over Grind youth camp, and so check your Facebook when some media to one and bet to me a phrase 0509 151010. Now what detail information about it. You bet me I send the flyers now. We bet me a website so no register oba. Or the internet and so no register no be tuano through mobile mobile money. You can pay it by mobile money. MTN DNA what tuano simple cra nyefe na wo benantia baba be feel bibia we wutua pa be my notification we 6 time no so say wetua grace over grind and to our Facebook group said that's so I saw for Mary Mane Ma Dr. Mary Ganza Kahon Professor Redo Ekahon and Faye Michael O'Kine Evangelist Akosidon Call and Faye Counselor Niana down for pause so eka home and woman babe treasure at one place na yina no yet to me at the say dwumadi abre obia ankran biara, and that is what we are going to do. And so my tomen sadia frɛ wo sɛ won so brabe ka ho na yina no yemfa ye mane ye nananom enko nyame tiasefo no enim Amos Kevin and FA Patrick Motieko Boadi and the other ministers on Bekahua, they will not be on this flyers so omoba Bekahona ya grumunia necha emrantia and embawe. So check it na ne pull poster no flyer no, let's send it across mommy. Legon University of Ghana honey say Jumedie and with for El Bernard and so Ekahon makaza asofno any nyamen crofon bekasane also, and this is one conference about once in a year. And to sow into the destiny of your child. Sow into the destiny of your child. And I believe it will bring a lot of transformation. Minim krofa, or my baby, I minim baby, I rather do my baby. And so, and your church, but yen ye anymore as Resurrection Power and Living Bread Ministries International, yen ye anymore in the area, but a yet denominational event. From Rantier and Maba was said ye beya, ye be cassadi, a radibe do on which is sunny and rye and all car, you know. Now, David Carr say, and Radi hour ye me jata. Abusia, and Rantier be bridge and a jata anymore. Maybe I wouldn't him. Obanan Canchero. Obaba one on Canchero. Ya must say, almost face it jata. There's someone can. Hey, and also Yasemu. Say ye mano, woman encounter jata battle. Any sibo battle. Sibo battle, jata battle. As I said, David Yanka, nane papa nane mami kurampo nim nane nuane mo nim se wa encounter jata. Any was sisire. So where the scriptures mu
akra.
Na onsen ko ankan ye nim se no ani jata. Any sisire akọ.
Say bofuoko remwa enye ne ewo hu nyina
enye de ewuru nyina ne yeka
oba woka koko obi akura nhwenam no
enti chesa se abrantie e battle wani jata wani sisire wo mane ne gwo wo ko
ba ni nyina mu awurade bua no
wo mane wo mo ko we can say oba no a wo ye masturbation no ayekwa we can say oba no ye lesbian ayekwa
jata
ene enkrama ya wo mane wo mo da wo sunsum kafudi bi atakaya na say wo mo bad na dane say wase awurade bua me.
Oh my God, that is the bottom line. that is the bottom line.
Bua me wa bra jata ni sisire katuma hata
enemy ko was
enemy ko ye na awurade ahoɔdene ba me so hey awurade ahoɔdene ba wo ma no so me say jata ni sisire ene ofra ne say wo ene aponkyere ne sunsum ene ofra ne say wo ga you ofra say aboy ne to aye say nyanyankyere ne wo ma ko so for ade you serious I say you dive into it was say na awurade oyi me na bishop awurade oyi me
woti hoyi ejata ni asisira awurade ayi wo everyone no nsam meti hay ananka ni mpamire ya wonyame
na bodabode
ayi
enu ya wo ne ya ko
eniyema hodo a
eniyema ne ya ko
David consider yanka se wonyame sa niyema we nyina
yanka
munno
yanka eniema ya famu yanka edo bebi ade yi kakra ne edi adanse madanse ba ko beba nche madanse ba ko beba madanse be beba enye da bia ne edi adanse edi bi huna sofo da bia mo bragere jo manuma yo mo sawze mo yankwada when the awurade aya yenya yanum
enkwala
kasado do de enkwala kasado to enti David say na awurade oyi mi jatani sisire ensem no kafudi mi ato nyame obeyi wo firi baabi awo no nyame obeyi
sa wo hwa ne ma nyame
obi bisa scripture no ma men quote ma no 1 Samuel 17:37 when you lotto me ma lotto number me ma lotto number to when one kocha First Samuel
Bible quotation
17:37 1 Samuel 17:37 fa say adwuma na didi eja de wo kira no
ya wo kira de ne a o de undimi man numbers ni
de numbers number me why am I 1 Samuel 17:37 when you me asem say
yam hwehwe me nia oyi mi free jata eni asisire sa nyame no eni ma wonam we wafa wo koben ne kwa aman eni mampo afijase
atwema agogo koben de me ya de praye pamo me praye ya de twa masu nyasem nyina ne yeka ya de praye ya de pramati ko se wo krom ha ya twa wosu ya ma wonsi happy
wado ye ne papa ye nti but wonyame na oyi wo e wo sisire ni ajata nsem
eu sou bro eu sou Yaw okrayao Carefully, good morning. I try your birthday. Carefully, I'm fortunate. Okay. And now your birthday, whoop, be the best. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. I will form my mama and Mancasa 0302216561 020322166562. Mr. I don't know. Now, David Kika, when you know, I saw Erade in the watch.
Ko na urade ni wachi.
The 2 words. Ko
na urade in the
wachi. Ko na urade di wachi.
Urade di obi achi.
Kwasiada your Father's Day. Papa be can send me to and I'm wodru baby wodru. Don't forget it.
Obi asemba ko.
Etimi
di wodru baby.
Etimi
di kwanimu.
Edo kwanimu. Ko na urade ndi wachi. Ko na ko ware. Ko na ko ye adwuma. Ko na ko start ministry. Ko now we bet me acquire you here. You need one word from a spiritual father.
Yes, I'll bet you being crying. Since I'll be buna bemu.
You and one what can be yes, I'll bet you. Yes, I'll bet you. Are you one crying? Dance. Ubabuna bem. Go na urade.
obedi we
and me call jabuafo me call jabuafo total chimota me call ho me tell me do what's it kona urade do wachi tell say do what manager do kona urade do wachi what's papa no ani asema mo dia maye no kwa me say anopa won so ko
urade
obedi wachi
why na sisa position woni mi ko why
ko me say we ya ja enkura uni sika o wa ma ne sika wa ma ne hwe wa ma ne pia ansa na obema ne pia ansa na obema na tade no was hey ko
awurade edi wachi ya bre na so line no mama nya me bre na so oh ka mamba so ka be pe so me bre so mama mponko mama mponko
papa David ya chinti wodi kunim de bai
wodi kunim de
na watchi yes
wodi abadada
mo chinti ne yemfa asedamra awurade all night
Nana all night ni say sa ebe ye butu sa oh me sorry sir oh one person of friend Monday ye be oh
Bishop so hwe abuonum ya David Tasin ye ne any tire insignificant something insignificant was it the word was inspiration came from Saul was it called na urade bedi wachi
who any suade hono papa Bomodere na show benin crying mama show benin crying na keten se won kona awurade di na chi won kona awurade di na chi kwa wade na awurade di wachi enhwe de atwa akoda ne ho ahia emfa de ohunu unim na wohunu wa abofra no ho
enka nkire obi se wonwen wo ho samiti wei na wo kwa wade ye wei jai sane man na show benin crying
wose ko na awurade Ewradia or boss anopai me Yaw Owusu Ansah me catch wo maami bi me catch wo papa bi me catch brantie bi me catch obesiriwa bi se ko na Ewrade odi wachi my God obi si bo fie obi ntimi nsi dan nanso me catch wo ne se ko na wo besi dan no
Bishop nyamishraw ko na Ewrade be o baba ko kabila ntim jakare
o jare papa kwai
china
o jare papa kwai
kwa ube pon
za be ho so person de fam but
Bishop ko
okusie de papa ntim jakare ko na Ewrade di wachi abusu na ye de wasi but kai say enanaji ye never again a prophet Samuel Addison and it is going to be wonderful time it is going to be glorious time and who Lieutenant your conference be a basso and I from Monday mema was detail no na wa hunu sa conference na ye ba ko Luton na fe ye ba ko Hounslow ye airport London. Yeah, these conferences, this time, that is effective associates. Effective, baby, I will be. You can be effective. It is will be a sorry answer why you're effective. And this will be a general answer. More say, this is a tia sorry answer. No, it is a big lie. You can be just an ordinary church member. You'll be a juma, but you'll be effective. And so, Lieutenant, memo detail of it. We are going to do such a conference over there. Effective associates. Send ya utie bia no ukika ho na bo ho so a wobetimi aye bribia e be remarkable na you leave a legacy.
Let's Bishop uti we unti asori me hwete se wo me hwete se Bishop James me hwete se Reverend Bedi Boatin me hwete bebre
ya wa no Dr. Kujo yanti asori o yanti asori
e good so obi ate ba enye se chinchina agi so obi ate ne de enye se chinchina agi so obi ate
obi abetumi aye kakra obetumi aye na wo pepa no nko a eni so oye president ansa na waye Ghana yi eni so oye president ansa abusu abeda say carefully happy birthday and glorious birthday and happy Father's Day to every father afia bra na me no wo case bi afia bra brother me hage wansa na mako odi baby you free na hwan so na me free ya wansam ka ya wansam ka Afia bra betra me makunya no so. Afia bra. Men ka sa betra me na so betra kunya so. Afia pokuya ade ya wakode. Afia what dress you? Afia me no so ya bre o. Oh, me Bishop Preveni David. Me pay myself. Oh, sir. Oh, Afia. Afia pokuya is taking us, leading us.
Corruption watch.
My name is Ghana for you're taking it serious there. Sansem, you're taking it serious there. I was me that say me I don't pay any fish here. Me come business here. So who are there?
Jim FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM. Jim FM 106.3.